Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. How to locate and identify the WhatsApp files if you are using the WhatsApp application in your Windows PC. Okay, so open up the this PC, or I have just simply made the shortcut of Windows E, and now that's opening it. The second thing is you have to go to View, go to Show, and make sure you have to check the option of the hidden items, because the WhatsApp files are completely hidden and you cannot find them manually. Okay, once you did that, go to the Drive C, and now I'm also going to make that a little bit bigger so you can see everything clearly. Now go to the users and select the user that you are mostly using. That in my case, that is a boss. And there's also the other option of the hidden folder app data. Open that, and now go to local. From here you have to look for packages. Okay, so there has to be a folder by the name of packages. It is here. Now just open that again, and from here you have to look for the WhatsApp desktop. So as you can see, this is the WhatsApp desktop and the size is 884 MB. Now every time you receive some type of images, videos, or any other document files, all of those will be stored here and they will be permanently available if you do not delete them manually from your system. There is no also time limit for that too. So now go to the local state if you want to go ahead and have a look at your files. From here you can just also take a look at the images that you have. Okay, so as you can see, if those images are shared to you, you can just simply access them through the profile pictures. You can just simply view them here. And if you go back, there's also the option of the shared directory. Here you are going to see the option of the transfers everything from date wise. So as you can see, today is, I think, I don't know, this is today's directory, or maybe from some days earlier. So as you can see, this is a video, the size is 706 MB, and there is also the other photo and all of the other details. You get the idea, right? This is exactly what do I mean. Now if you wish to delete them, just simply select and simply press delete, or if you wish to copy them, you can also simply copy those anywhere that you want. You get the idea, right? So I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and goodbye.